This CPU is illegal? AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3990X melts deadlines and rewrites the rules. Ever felt like your workstation is actively fighting you? You're staring at a frozen screen mid-render. Premiere crashes. Blender lags. Simulation takes hours. Your high-end CPU suddenly feels like it's running on hamster wheels. Projects drag. Momentum dies. That spark of inspiration? Gone. You're not lazy. Your tools just can't keep up. You know what needs to be done, but everything takes forever. You're burning time, wasting energy, and wondering why you're stuck in this productivity purgatory when all you want is to create without compromise. Sound familiar? It's frustrating, overwhelming, and it's costing you more than time. Now it's panic mode. Deadlines are closing in like a tidal wave. Your gear's throttling, fans are screaming, and your focus is gone. That dream collab? Missed. Your client? Ghosted. And let's not even talk about rendering. Waiting 6 hours for frames you needed yesterday. The burnout creeps in. You think maybe you're the problem, but no. It's your machine choking under pressure. You start doubting your talent. Your passion turns to pressure, and suddenly, you're watching others win while you're stuck watching loading bars. How long are you going to keep waiting for tech that simply can't deliver? Enter the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3990X, the no-compromise beast with 64 cores and 128 threads built to obliterate bottlenecks and laugh in the face of heavy workloads. With a 4.3 GHz boost, 256 MB L3 cache, quad-channel DDR4, and a stupidly fast 88 PCIe 4.0 lanes, this CPU doesn't mess around. It's unlocked, tuned for 24/7 workloads, and it redefines what a desktop processor can do. From Blender to P-Overlay, Cinebench to Android Studio, it crushes benchmarks with absurd efficiency. You want freedom? This is freedom. You want speed? Try 64-core real-time rendering speed. You want to win? This is how professionals win. Still not convinced? Ask the users. This thing smokes Intel and multi-thread benchmarks, raves a software engineer. A VFX pro said, even massive renders are smooth, zero bottlenecks. A Blender user added, power scales beautifully, and it's whisper quiet. Content creators are reporting radical workflow transformations, faster compile times, real-time VFX playback, and massive performance boost across simulations, renders, and high-res video edits. Even in extreme workloads, the Threadripper 3990X remains stable, cool, and consistent. No throttling, no lag, just raw, unstoppable throughput. Need PCIe 4.0 bandwidth? Done. Overclocking headroom? Built in. Want the ultimate creative rig? You just found it. Stock is limited. Demand is skyrocketing. This isn't your average CPU. This is Threadripper, and it sells out fast. Professionals, render farms, creative studios, they're already on it. So if you're ready to obliterate deadlines, dominate your workflow, and finally run a rig that's as relentless as you are, don't wait. Buy now. Secure yours. Join the elite who've already upgraded their reality. No regrets, just unmatched speed, power, and results. Because when you run the 3990X, the only bottleneck is your imagination. Let's go.